Hey guys, it's Jonathan. VXRT, a COVID play. Now, if this stock isn't all about 2020, 2021, this to me summarizes how stocks are trading. VXRT. When I was a market maker for 5 years on the floor of the options exchange. When stocks start moving like this, nobody knows where they're valued at. What's the difference between $8 and $15 when stocks start moving like this? In front of you, this is just math. We call this our high value target tool. This is just 21 day of historical volatility. So we want to see when volatility is breaking down. When is it getting to new levels? When is it really expanding? So 21 day historical volatility, 3 standard deviations, 4 standard deviations. When it trades out of the bands and comes back in, you'll get sell signals and buy signals. VXRT. Here's how this came on our radar. VXRT was one of our new trades that we shared Sunday night. We share trades every single Sunday night. Then we do a live class on Monday to go over those trades. VXRT, we're looking at buying the May Strangle. Here's where all the love came from. VXRT, if we look at the Wall Street Wiretapper, which is an unusual option activity scanner audited by a neural network in the background, we want to find the names that are most active, but also that have the highest probability of outperforming the implied volatility that's priced into the market. And the number one name, VXRT. Not only is VXRT the number one name on this scan, top 10 stocks within 5 to 25 over the past 10 days. Top 10 stocks between 5 and 100 over the past 10 days. VXRT makes it on this list as well. And now, what about the top 10 overall? VXRT. Up with names like the Spiders, Teslas, and the Qs. Here's how to trade this sucker, because you gotta be active. In the week ahead, we talked about the 12.5 calls, the 10 puts. Right now, the stock is at 652. For anybody that owns those 10 puts, you should seriously consider buying the underlying stock. So if you're long 10 of the 10 strike puts, think of it like you're short 1,000 shares at 10. If you buy 500 shares, don't touch your options. You're still long 10 puts, but now you're also long 500 shares from 650. So if VXRT rallies back up to $10, which it absolutely can, you just sell those shares, don't touch your options, and then hopefully the calls will kick in. You need to stay active with VXRT. Lots of volatility. This sucker is still moving. And a big shout out to the Wall Street Wiretapper for bringing this puppy to our attention. Jonathan Rhodes, owner, Masters in Trading.